Yesterday we have seen the whole structure of how to find the stock on the date of file, because we make final accounts at the end of the year. So for that purpose we make memorandum trading. And normally in trading account, not memorandum, normally in a trading account closing stock is available and we find the gross profit. But here in memorandum trading account we have the gross profit and we find the closing stock, which is the stock on the date of file. How do we have the gross profit? Sales into percentage. That percentage is known. Now what if that percentage is not known? Like in yesterday's question it was given 33 1/3%, means 1/3, and 33% you took in homework, that is exactly 33%. What if that percentage of gross profit is not given? Yes? No, we don't have to assume. If percentage of gross profit is not given, then we have to make last year's trading account. And if average is to be done, then last 2-3 years trading accounts. And find the gross profit and their percentage. Then we will make memorandum trading account and apply that percentage in the current year. Okay, so that is the one new point we are going to understand today. So write down as a heading, if percentage gross profit is not given. Okay, if percentage gross profit is not given, then what we are supposed to do? Past years, here past years trading account will be prepared. Here past years trading account will be prepared and percentage gross profit and its average will be obtained. Understood that? Now be a reader. If there is over or undervaluation of stock. See, normally in books of accounts we follow the accounting principles. Sometimes we overvalue the stock, sometimes we undervalue the stock, because we follow various methods, FIFO, LIFO, VAM, first in first out, last in first out. So in our books of accounts, stock may be appearing at any price different than the cost. Now tell me, suppose in our books of accounts, cost is of 1 lakh, but because of adoption of a method, we have overvalued and it is appearing at 1,10,000. Then if that stock is burned by fire, should insurance company pay 1 lakh or 1,10,000? It's actual 1 lakh only, its actual cost is 1 lakh. Then why would insurance company pay 1,10,000? Just because we have shown it at 1,10,000 in the books of accounts? Then I'll show it 2 lakhs and burn the goods. Insurance company pay me 2 lakhs, no need to sell them. So even if I show 1 lakh stock at 2 lakhs or 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs, insurance company will give the actual value 1 lakh only. And for some reasons, if I have undervalued it, 1 lakh's cost I have shown at 90,000 or 80,000, then also insurance company will pay me 1 lakh only. So when we make the trading account of past years or memorandum trading, any trading account, stock should always appear at cost. We are not making final accounts. So don't follow the principle cost or market price, whichever is less. No. Always at cost. Okay. So if it's undervalued, then we'll increase its value. If it's overvalued, then we will decrease it. And very simple equation. Suppose overvalued by 10%. Then cost 100 plus 10, value 110. Compare it. Value 110, cost 100, value given, cost how much? And if it's undervalued, then cost 100 minus 10%, value 90. Then value 90, cost 100, value given, cost how much? We simply have to make an equation and find its cost. But we will always record the stock at cost for the purpose of fire claim. So right now, here the cost of stock should be obtained. Here the cost of stock should be obtained and it should be recorded at cost price in all the trading accounts. In all the trading accounts. All the trading accounts. Memorandum also, and if past years is to be made to find gross profit, there also. In all the trading accounts, for this purpose, the stock will be appearing at cost. Page 103, question number 2. And there is a maximum times asked in exam question, okay? This kind of questions. Page 103, question number 2. On 31st May 2014, the premises and stock of were totally destroyed by fire. And then 31st May 2014 and around DOF, that is date of fire. The books of accounts, however, being saved. Books of accounts would be generally saved because they are kept in office premises. And then only you can obtain these details. In order to make a claim on their fire policy, they ask your advice. And you are able to obtain the following information. Now, when did the fire take place? 31st May 2014. One more thing, if you see below, can you see 2013 is given? Then up to 31st May 2014 is given. So is that a calendar year or a financial year? How do we write financial years? If you write 2013 and if you write 2013-14, which one is calendar year? And financial year? 2013-14. Okay, here 2013 is given. So is it a calendar year or a financial year? Calendar year. Means January to December. Okay, so if fire has taken place on 31st May 2014, means memorandum trading account we have to make from 1st January 2014, beginning of the year, till 31st May 2014. Any doubt in this? So what is that 2013? Can I say last year? As I said, now gross profits percentage is not given. So first we have to make that last year's trading account and find the percentage of gross profit. About 2013, column write down LY. LY, last year. Okay. About 31/5/14 up to 31/5/14 write down FY. Not first year, fire year. And for you it's both same. Okay. So up to 31/5/14 means it's fire year. Any confusions? Now, opening stock underline or circle rather as valued means it's not at cost. It as valued means it would be overvalued or undervalued. We have to bring it back at cost. So respective amounts will appear in trading account on debit side. Now, purchase less returns, debit side trading account. Sales less return, credit side. Wages, debit side. And closing stock, current fire year you will not find it, because if that was given then story over. Fire year stock is not given because that is what we have to find, the stock on the date of fire. Okay. A sum of 20,000 incurred by way of fire expenses. So what did I tell you about fire expenses yesterday? So what should we do? Final amount of claim added. I told you 20,000 insurance company will compensate in full. So whatever final amount of insurance claim you get in that, you'll add 20,000. Prepare a statement for submission to the insurance company in support of your claim for loss of stock. And then assume that opening stock of 2014 is valued at 5% below cost. Only 2014. What is the opening stock of 2014? 179,550. That is valued 5% below cost. 2013 is not mentioned. Means that 1,71,000 and that 1,89,000 at the end, they are at cost only. 1,71,000 and 1,89,000 are at cost only. But opening stock of 2014, 179,550 is valued 5% below cost. Cross check. See, closing stock of 2013, should it be the opening stock of 2014 or not?
Yes.
What is closing stock of 2013? But is that the opening stock of 14? No. Do it 1,89,000 minus 5%. 179? Do you get that opening stock of 2014? Means is it valued 5% below cost or not?
Yes.
But we have to take it at cost. So when we make the trading account, we will not take 179,550. We will take 189,000. Working is also not needed because it's already available. Otherwise, we would have made the working. How would we have made the working? It is valued 5% below cost. So suppose cost is 100. Now below cost means plus or minus? Minus 5% means value is 95. Value 95 cost 100. Value 179,550 cost how much? Do 179,550 into 100 upon 95. Divide by 95. 1,89,000. If that 1,89,000 was not available, we would have made this volumes. Is everyone clear with it? Then we can find it. Because it's given 5% below cost, so we can find it. But here it's already available, so no need to find it. Understood that or not? Any confusions? So let us make, first we'll make last year's trading account. Now trading account for the year ended 31, 12 or 3, 12, 13 is no month. 31, 12, 2013, okay? So first, why we are making this last year's trading account? What is the intention? What is the objective? To find gross profit and its percentage. That we can apply in fire year. Made the format, everyone? Now see, whatever is 2013's information will come here. So opening stock 1,71,000 is the cost or the value? No cost. In the last sentence it was given that only 2014's opening stock is valued 5% below cost. 2013 is already at cost only. So 1,71,000 is cost or value? Cost. Write down 2 opening stock 1,71,000. What are purchases of last year? So 2 purchases 5,40,000. What are sales? By sales 8,37,000. Then wages, 2 wages 1,47,600. And closing stock by closing stock 1,89,000. Got it, everyone? Now credit side 8, 9, 80, 10, 10, 10,26,000. 10, 26 and 5, 6, 7, 48, 10, 850, 858, 600 if we minus. Then 1,67,400. Understood this? Now we need the percentage of gross profit because that we have to apply in the current year. So write down percentage gross profit is equal to gross profit upon sales into 100. What is gross profit we obtained? 167,400 divided by sales into 100. What does it come? Exact 20%. So now when we make memorandum trading account, then how will we take gross profit? 20% into sales. In yesterday's question, this percentage was directly given, 33 1/3. And today it was not given, so we made last year's trading account to find the same. Understood the difference, everyone? Now same procedure as yesterday. Name is not given, so dot dot dot. Memorandum trading account for the period from, yes, stop talking. We have to make it from 1/1/14 to 31/5/14. The date of fire is 31st May. First of all, opening stock, but instead of 1,79,550, we will take which value? 1,89,000. Purchases 184,500. Sales 337,500. Wages 54,000. And then we have to take gross profit. Okay, to gross profit. Now how do we have to take gross profit here? We obtain the percentage as 20%. So we have to take directly sales 20%. 337,500 into 20%. 6,7,500. Whatever we got? Now whatever remains is the stock on the date of fire. So 1, 2, 280, 360, 490, 470, 483, 87, 90, 495, 495 minus 337,500, so 1,57,500. That is by stock on the date of fire. In bracket balancing figure. Understood this? Now we have to make statement of 3 lines format. Statement of name, okay? 3 lines format. Completed? Now be addendum. First of all, we'll begin with stock on the date of fire 157,500. Stop talking. Now from that we will minus salvage. Is any salvage given in the question? So nil. Means 157,500 itself. Entire stock is destroyed by fire. Okay. Now, is any policy amount given? Means it is full insurance. See, stock on the date of fire 157,500. Policy amount Not given. Therefore, it is assumed as full insurance in the final claim, in the final amount of claim. Is everyone clear with this? Now you will say claim amount is equal to a full insurance, then stock destroyed by full amount will be given. That is 157 500 plus. Now here we will add fire expenses. How much they are? So 1,77,500 is the total claim. Did you understand this portion, everyone? Now question number 6. Up till 4 o'clock you can hear. Yes, we attended question number 6 on page 104. On 31st July 2015, listen carefully and be attentive. The premises and stock of Rohtak firm were totally destroyed by fire. The books of accounts, however, being saved. And like 31st July 2015 and mark it as DOF, date of fire. Now if you see the below table, calendar years are given on financial years. Financial. So here the year begins in April. Means 31st July if the goods are burned by fire, memorandum trading account will make from 1st April 2015 till 31st July 2015. In order to make a claim on their fire policy, they asked your advice and you are able to obtain the following information. Online, stock on hand has circled the word always been valued at 10% below cost. Unlike this question, where it was given only 2014's opening stock is valued below. But here, always. Means all the stocks, if you see the below table, opening stock 2,16,000, 88,000, 342, 378, all of them are valued at 5% below cost. So 10% below cost. So we will make that workings as I explained you orally. And we will find the actual cost of stock. Further, prepare a statement for submission to the insurance company in support of your claim for loss of stock. Now, can you see here last 2012 to 30, which is a fire year? 31st July 2015 means? Yes, and instead of 31st August, make it 31st July in the last column. In the last column, instead of 31/8/15, make it 31/7/15. About that, write down FY. Fire year. Now 14 to 15, 13 to 14, 12 to 13. All the three write down LY. Here we have to make last 3 years trading account. Like here we made only last 1 year. Here we make last 3 years trading account. Each year's percentage gross profit and then its average. Each year's percentage gross profit and then its average. That we will apply in memorandum trading account. But don't worry, columnar form. So you don't have to make this 3 times. You will make it 1 time only with 3 columns. Is everyone clear with this? Where will opening stock come in? All of them? Debit. Purchase, sales, wages, and closing stock credit. But before we proceed with this, we will find the cost of stock. Because in all the trading accounts, the closing stock should appear at cost. So first we'll make the workings. Okay, page 104, question number 6. First we'll make the workings of cost. Now how to find the cost of stock, understand it? Yes, what is the information given? The stock has always been valued at 10% below cost. So write down, suppose cost is 100 minus undervalued 10%. So what will be the value? 90. Okay, suppose cost is 100 minus undervalued by 10%. So what will be the value? 90. Any confusions with this? Now we simply have to make an equation. When value is 90, cost is 100. That when value is 90, cost is 100. In the previous question, cost was directly available because only 1 year was undervalued and closing stock of last year became opening stock of current year. But here all are undervalued. Now see, what is opening stock of 2012 to 13? 2,16,000. So what will be its cost? 2,16,000 into 100 upon 90. 2,40,000. So when we prepare the trading account, we will not take 2,16,000, we will take 2,40,000 at the cost price. Same way 2000, 13 to 14, 2,88,000, how much? 2,88,000 into 100 upon 90, 3,20,000. Then 14 to 15, 3,42,000, how much? 3,42,000 into 100 upon 90, 3,80,000. And lastly, 15, 16, 3,78,000, how much? 3,78,000 into 100 upon 90, 4,20,000. You can understand the four values, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any confusions? All are clear with the workings of the stock, how to convert it at the cost. Previous question we did not make the working because cost was directly available. Yes, let him ask, yes. Because in that year only one stock was undervalued. So the previous year was already at cost. Directly last year's closing stock became current year's opening stock. But here all the years stock are undervalued. We don't have only the cost available. Their cost was available. So here we have to make the workings. Yes, one more thing now. What is 12 to 13's closing stock given to you?
288.
What is 12 to 13's closing stock given to you? 288. And that will be next year's opening stock? Can you see 288 in the next year opening also?
Yes.
So now instead of that 288, even that closing stock will take 3,20,000. Same way 13 to 14's closing stock is how much? 342. Instead of 342 we will take 380. And same way 14 to 15's closing stock is how much? 378. Instead of 378 we will take 480. Understood that? Make the format of last 3 years trading account. 3 columns. 12 to 13, 13 to 14, 14 to 15. Okay, 3 columns. Heading will be trading account of last 3 years. Now be attended. Opening stock. In bracket working note 1. See 12 to 13's opening stock. Now instead of 216 we have to take 2,40,000. 13 to 14 we have to take 3,20,000. And 14 to 15 we have to take 3,80,000. Is everyone clear with this? Okay, we have to take at cost 240, 320 and 380. Written that everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now purchases they are given 9 lakh, 10 lakh, 70,000 and 11 lakh 40,000. Sales 13 lakh 50,000, 17 lakh 60,000 and 18 lakhs. Any confusion in this? Wages 284,000, 3 lakh 12,000 and 3 lakh 42,000. And regarding closing stock, be attentive as I said. See, closing stock of 12 to 13 will be the opening stock of 13 to 14. So closing stock of 12 to 13 is 3 lakh 20,000. Then same way, closing stock of 13 to 14 is 3 lakh 80,000. And closing stock of 14 to 15 is 4 lakh 20,000. Is everyone clear with this? We have to take all the stocks at cost price. Now we can find the gross profit of each of the years. 13, 16, 70, 21, 40, 22, 20, 16 lakh 70,000, 21 lakh 40,000, 22 lakh 20,000. Now whatever remains is gross profit. So 9, 11, 13, 14, 24 if we minus 2 lakh 46,000 and 10, 13, 16, 19, 17 lakh 2,000 if we minus, then 4 lakh 38,000, 11, 14, 17, 18, 18, 20, 18, 68. So 3 lakh 58,000. We get gross profits, we get 2 lakh 46,000, 4 lakh 38,000 and 3 lakh 58,000. Now this formula we have to apply for 3 years. 12, 13, 13, 14 and 14, 15. Okay. After that, the remaining you will take in homework. After that, the procedure is same. You have to make memorandum, trading account, statement of claim and amount of claim. Around 2012 to 13, what is gross profit? 2 lakh 46,000 upon sales 13 lakh 50,000 into 100 to 18.8 Then 2013 to 14, 4,38,000 upon 17,60,000 into 100, 24.88. And 2014 to 15, 3,58,000 upon 18 lakhs into 100, 19 point. Now we need the average. Below that you will show average percentage 18.22 plus 24.88 plus 19.89 divided by 3. 3 years, so divide by 3. 20 point means approximately 21%. Okay, now this will be your homework. Now what you have to do when you make memorandum trading account? How will you take gross profit? 21% of sales. Rest procedure is same. Got it everyone? Okay, so this is your homework plus question 8A. 8A. No, 9A. As I said, maximum times in exam this point only has been asked. 8A, 9A, 10A, 11A.